Alright, today we're going to be talking about graphic designers, specifically 3 of them. So let's jump right into it. Alright, Massimo Vignelli was born in Italy on January 10th, 1931, and passed away on May 27, 2014 in New York. He studied in Italy at the this college right here. His name is the only thing I can say in French. So, I can't say anything else. And then I know this starts is University of Architecture in Venice. So then in 1957 to 1960, he visited America on fellowship. In 1966, he returned to New York and started a new branch called Unimark International, which is one of the biggest firms in the world now. The firm designed so many recognizable corporate identities like American Airlines. He also designed the subway map for New York, which is pretty cool. A little more to know about him. Vignelli said his finest work was the Metro map for New York. And then he created for high-profile companies such as IBM, Knoll, and Bloomingdale's, as we all know from Friends. And as we know now, American Airlines. So geometric shapes last thousands of years is what Vignelli said, and it was just kind of cool. So I put it in there. And then April Germani, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, which is okay. April was born in March 22nd, 1948, and is still alive, and she's 71. April is an American designer recognized as one of the first designers to use computer technology as a tool, which is pretty cool. In the 1960s, she studied graphic design as an undergraduate at Kansas City Art Institute from 1966 to 1970. And then in 1970, she also studied at, this is a college in Switzerland, and I can't pronounce it, so I apologize. But she studied from this college at 1970 to 1971. And then in 1982, she became the head of the design department at the College of California Arts. A little more to know about her. April currently works at a studio in Los Angeles, California, titled Made in Space. She blends technology, science, word, and image with color and space. She's also a teacher at Woodbury University and taught at SciArc from 1993 to 2005. Emil Reuter, born in Switzerland on March 20th, 1914, and passed away on March 13th, 1970. He was a Swiss typographer and a graphic designer, known for the field of typography, developing a holistical approach to designing and teaching philosophy, theory, and systematic practical mythology. Emil was trained as a typesetter in Basel in 1929 to 1933, then Paris in 1938 through 1939. In 1962, he helped found the International Center for the Typography Arts in New York, also known as ICTA. Reuter began his education in design at the age of 15. By his late 20s, he attended this college right here, which is in Switzerland. He began teaching in 1942 at this college in Switzerland, and I can't pronounce his names, and I apologize, but 5 years after that, he became the head of the Department of the Apprentice in Applied Arts by 1947. He also wrote the book Typography Monthly. And that's all, so yay!